After doing the activity, we will solve question number 12, convert these fraction into decimals. And as you all know that decimal should have 10, 100, 1000 and multiple of tens in the denominator. So here it is 4. Can I make 4 10? No. In table of 4, 10 do not come. Okay, after 8 it is 12. So do 100 come in the table of 4? Yes. As 4 tens are 40, 4 20s are 80 and 4 25s are 100. And you can also say that if I give you 100 rupees and ask you to divide it in 4 friends equally, you will give all of them 25 rupees. Okay. So what I will do in the solution, I will write that 1 by 4 and here I will multiply it with 25 and multiply it with 25. So 125s are 25, 4 25s are 100. That is our next step. 25 over 100, and as you can see 100 has 2 zeros and there are 2 digits above, and now I can make it in a decimal number. This one will turn into the point, and 2 and 5, and I have also told you writing the 0 before decimal point do not change the value. So 1 by 4 as decimal is 0.25. Okay. Boys, our second sum is 3 by 20. So we have to find out that in the table of 20, do 10 come? No, because 21s are 20. Do 100 come? Yes. And when it comes, as 2 5s are 10, so 25s are 100. 3 by 20. What I will do, always remember you have to put the equals to sign after this line. So 3 5s are and 25s are. And always remember the number I multiply in the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator with the same number. Or if I divide this number with any number, I have to divide the numerator as well. Okay. So 3 5s are is 15 and 25s are is 100. 100. And here we can also turn it. 1 will become the decimal point, and as it has 2 zeros and there are 2 digits above, I will write the numerator digit and I will write 0 over here. So if it have only one digit, what I will do, I have to write 0 before it, because 05 also means 5. Okay. So this is our answer. Let's move toward the next sum. Here you can see, boys, our next sum is 9 by 25. And in the table of 25, do 100 comes? Yes. As in the table of 4, 100 comes. So in the table of 25, also 100 come. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 25 threes are 75. 25 fours are 100. Okay. But I will not solve this sum because it is easy, and I have told you where in table of 2500 comes. So you have to multiply that number in the numerator and denominator, and then you have to make it a decimal by yourself. As we are doing revision, I will let you do some sums by yourself. I hope, boys, you have done part C. Now that this is part D, 2 by 5. So in table of 5, do 10 comes? Yes. 5 2s are 10. You have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by 2. So this is also an easy sum, and I will leave it on to you. You have to do it, and then you have to show me your answer and your doing. If any one of you find any difficulty, you can ask me. I hope, boys, you have done part D by yourself. Our next sum is 39 by 500. As it has 500 in the denominator, can I turn this 500 into the power of 10? Yes. 500 twos are 1000. Yes, when you have two notes of 500, it is 1000 rupees. Okay, it is very easy. So let me help you doing it. I'll do this sum. Solution: 39 by 500. What I have to do, I have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 500 twos are is 1000 in the denominator, 1000. The height of 1 and 0 should be the same. And 39 twos are, what is it? It is 78. Okay, let me do it. 2 nines are 18. I have written 8. 1 is on the carry on 3. 2 threes are 6 and 1 is 7. Now you can see there are 3 zeros but 2 digits. So what I have to do, I have to make this 3 digit as well. So I am writing a 0 before 78. So does the value of 78 change? No. 078 also means 78. So boys, this one is turned into the decimal point and there are 3 digits. So I have written 078 and I have placed 0 over here. This is our answer.